Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select multiple cells in a table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I select multiple cell in this document table. At first you have to select a cell, then drag on your mouse and select this multiple cell like this. You can select this all cells very easily, or select some or multiple cells. You can see I select multiple cells in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.